Welcome back everyone, Legend here. I hope you enjoyed the last video. So today we're gonna be doing another unboxing, but we have a beautiful promo of a Sinisty Pineco. Those have been given to me for my birthday that is to come from my coworkers, and we also have another tin right here. So we're gonna be starting with those. After that with the gift, to make the suspense for my coworkers because it's gonna be watching it, and the tin after that. I'll be putting those aside. You right there so you can see them. There you go. And we're gonna be starting with Sinisty. Let's see what we got inside. Let's break it open. Also, the sleeve of today is of Charizard. Beautiful Charizard. And also thank you my coworker for those beautiful cards. I hope I got good stuff. Well, we're gonna see each other at work, so I will be able to tell you that. So that on the side, there you go. We have the beautiful coins of Pikachu right here. I'm gonna be giving one of those to my friend K for Runes. I hope you like it. If you don't like it, well, I'm gonna keep it for myself. So, promo code for the online games. We're gonna be putting the beautiful Sinisty in its sleeve right here. There you go, beautiful promo. So, what are we gonna get inside that boosters? Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with Steel Energy, Minfu, Seed, Gibble, Pempor, Vanilluxe, Defiance Vest, Durant, Holo Reverse Dottler, Holo Reverse Wimpod, and beautiful Altaria EX. Let's go! Right off the bat, beautiful Altaria. We like that. There you go. Sleeve. And another sleeve. Now next one. It's Pineco promo. Take this out slowly. Throw that. Beautiful coins of Pikachu. Promo of Pineco. Promo code for the online games. Put the sleeve for Pineco right here. Let's go, Paradox Rift. What are we getting that one? Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with Lightning Energy, Onyx, Think-a-Think, Charcadet, Flitto, Professor Sada Vitality, Minior, Crocalor, Holo Reverse Plusle, Holo Reverse Ancient Booster Energy Capsule, and Upa EX. Let's go! Beautiful cards right there. Yep. That is great. There you go. And there you go for Upa EX. Now we're opening the boosters my coworker gave to me. Let's see what we got inside those. Paradox Rift, promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with Psychic Energy, Knockstock, Plusol, Dottler, Tuxil, Durant, Technical Machine Turbo Energize, Warp Trio, Auto Reverse Onyx, Auto Reverse Lipart, and Auto Palkia. Let's go. Beautiful Palkia right there. It seems to be preparing its move. It's not an EX, but it's still a legendary Pokemon, so I will say yes to that. There you go. Next one. Let's see what we have. Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with Water Energy, Bleep Bug, Fuecoco, Beautiful Snorunt, Onage, Orbital, Clough, Luxurious Cape, Auto Reverse Morpeko, Auto Reverse Steenie, and another Auto Palkia. 2 rare cards in the same boosters. Nice. There you go. Thanks for the gift, my friend. So we're gonna be seeing each other probably next days. I'll be telling you how the card was good for me. You give me 2 times Palkia right there. It's fun. There you go. Let's crack it open. We have a beautiful fighting inner coins right here. We have the beautiful artwork of right here, Machamp. And the 2 boosters of the 151 Pokemon. And let's see what you have inside those. Wait, come here. We're starting with we're having the promo code for the online games. We're starting LOL. I'm tired. 1. So we're starting with Grass Energy, Squirtle, Lickitung, Venonat, Pidgey, Anter, Hitmonlee, Wartortle, Auto Reverse Bulbasaur, Auto Reverse Magmar, and Auto Vaporeon. Beautiful Vaporeon. There you go. There you go. And there you go for Vaporeon. Now the final boosters. It's one of the 151 Pokemons. Promo code for the online games. 1. We're starting with a beautiful, shiny Psychic Energy, Habra, Diglett, Drowsy, Bulbasaur, Executor, Rigid Band, Graveler, Auto Reverse Habra, Venusaur EX, beautiful artwork right here, let's go, and Auto Vileplume. That is great. There you go for Vileplume. There you go for Venusaur. And not forget the Psychic Energy. There you go. So the it of today we have Venusaur EX, Auto Vileplume, Auto Vaporeon, Auto Palkia, Holo Reverse Morpico, Holo Palkia, Upa EX, promo of Pineco, Altaria EX, and promo of Sinisti. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. See you all next time, and let's our legend continue.